Guys, I'm done cooking. As you can see, some already ate the goddamn bloot. Chicken soup, all done. Look at them not saying nothing. What you laughing for? But anyways, this is the sauce for the balut right here, and my char siu drumsticks, and finishing up the yahan, of course. Chaz was eating it. He's still going at it. Jeez. Dang. Okay. And I got some sauce for my chicken soup right here. And yeah, y'all. My job is done. I'm motherfucking tired. Okay. Cooking. I cooked 4 different meals today. All in one at one time. Multitasking like a motherfucker. Multitasking at its finest. And this is my slama chukra. Ooh, everybody's favorite. You can do beef, but I personally like cooking it with pork spare rib because it tastes so much better. I don't know what it is. It's just fire. And I didn't want to waste the morning glory. That's why I chose to make this as well. So that was good. We ain't wasting nothing over here. My uncle said that's that pressure. Say it again, uncle. That's that pressure. I heard him. Everything I cook, you always said, man, that's that pressure knees. Fuck you talking about? Yeah. Hey. He be boosting my head up, y'all. Boosting my head up all the time. And then I made the batter wings. My brother-in-law is going to go get the oil because we forgot oil. And he only have olive oil, but that's for his, when he makes his food because he has gout. I told you guys that. Yeah, you guys. My family always enjoying my food, though. California babies. California family right here. But yes. You full. He said, man, I gotta go to the gym now. Fucking with Tiny. You gonna gain some damn weight. Because I'm gonna make sure y'all eat. Okay. Period. I know. 2 places. I know you is, bruh. I'm like, damn, he's still going? That was like a whole hour already. He's still sitting there, y'all. Fire, y'all. He said it's fire. Ooh.
If y'all ain't never heard cooking, y'all wish y'all did. I swear to God.
Don't make them mad. Don't make them mad. They already mad. I know, y'all. I wish y'all was closer, and I wish I can feed everybody. But y'all see, I have a big family, so damn, bro. If I was a millionaire, I swear to God, I'll feed y'all, bro. For real. Fried chicken. What you say, dog? But I want to thank you guys for all the love and support. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tiny Licious. Mwah.